Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about the best curbside deals over at Walgreens for the week of the 27th of November right till the 3rd of December. And me oh my, there is some amazing deals in this video, guys. So curbside pickup is you order through your cell phone or desktop computer, you drive to the store and you go and pick it up. A very easy process. So if your store still might have these $1.29 Nivea creams, they're still kicking back $3 of Walgreens cash. Now, I tried to find these at many stores around here, and you guys went crazy with this deal. It's very hard to find, but if you might find two, you're still going to get that $3 of Walgreens cash, making it a moneymaker. And yes, you can do it as a curbside offer, just to note that. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about, deal number one, we are going to grab two of these Olay. If you look very carefully, it says Olay Firming Night Cream Face Moisturizer. Only that one. There's another one that's just like plain Jane cream. No, it has to be the night one. Grabbing two in a basket, it's $11.98. We're going to load this digital coupon. Opt for the curbside pickup. I know a lot of ladies went really hard on this deal, so this might be a tall order to find this one, but we're going to look at a different deal also with this digital coupon. Throwing two of those in a basket, it's $11.98. Remember, it's BOGO 50% off. Your curbside pickup is free. You have a bit of tax. Subtracting that 10 off of two, you're paying $2.70 for two fancy lotions. I would use $2 in Walgreens cash and pay 70 cents and call this a fantastic deal. The next deal that we're looking at, again with that goofy 10 off of 2 digital coupon, we're going to put two of these Olay Regenerist Retinol Face Cleanser. It's some sort of scrub, 5 ounces for $9.99. And it's also BOGO 50% off. So adding two to a basket, it's $14.98. A very nice stocking stuffer, I think. This digital coupon is attaching. Now look, if you really had your heart set on that night cream, this coupon's valid till the end of the year. So hopefully it'll come back in stock and it'll work between now and then. Two of those in a basket for $14.98. Free curbside pickup. We have our tax, our digital coupon coming off. It's $5.88. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay 88 cents and call this a really smart deal as well. The next deal that we're looking at, also a very solid deal, includes two of these John Frieda shampoos, priced at $7.29. For whatever reason, this is cheaper to do it as a curbside pickup than to buy them in store. So just remember that. So we're going to toss two of them into a basket for $14.58. The digital coupons that we have include this 3 off of 2. Do you remember when this product first came out in 2015? There was always coupons for it. We also have this IVC, which is another 3 off of 2 off of the John Frieda hair care. So please make sure you have two $3 digitals loaded for this dealio. Now, IBOTTA is giving back $3 for each. So that's $6 back on the John Frieda hair care. Please make sure that your Walgreens IBOTTA has this rebate. So throwing two of those into the basket, it's $14.58. Subtracting the IVC, free curbside pickup, 3 off of 2 manufacturer, you're paying $9.27. You're getting $6 back from IBOTTA, making it $3.27. Please make sure that for this curbside pickup, that the employee at the store gives you a physical receipt, because you need that receipt to submit to IBOTTA unless you have it electronically loaded, your IBOTTA account to your Walgreens account, which you can do as well. But you need a receipt for this one, just to note that. Okay, now we have a deal for Mrs. Empty Nester if she's watching. We're going to be grabbing two of the L'Oreal Elvis shampoos. It's a joke. Elvive. I think they missed their mark with not calling this the Elvis. And it could have had a bunch of funny names like the Love Me Tender shampoo. I don't know. I'm going to shut up. Back to the deal. Put two of these into a basket. And we're also going to grab two of the Trident Mega. It has to be the Mega. And they are 2 for $3, but as curbside it's $2.98. So figure out that mathematics. We're going to Then we're going to load the following digital coupons that include this 4 off a 2, which is a manufacturer for the L'Oreal Elvive. Now, in the photo, it says Dream Curl. I always go for the one that, does everything, including your taxes, that one. But if you like Dream Curl, definitely whichever flavor you want of the Elvive. We also have this IVC coupon, which is a 2 off a 2, again, for the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. We're also going to load this 50% off of the Trident, and that's attaching to that Mega. I'm assuming that the Mega one is a really big piece of gum. I don't chew gum. I wouldn't buy it, but it must be a huge piece. IBOTTA has a very generous $1.99 back when you get the Trident Mega, like the large piece one. So double, triple check your IBOTTA account that we have the same rebates, and this is valid over at Walgreens. Looking at the math for this basket, it's $12.56, subtracting your IVC, free curbside pickup, and then $4.50 of manufacturers. You're going to get $1.99 back from IBOTTA for the gum. So it makes this basket $4.07 after everything's said and done. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay $1.51. Get your receipt from the store. Make sure you ask for a receipt, and then photograph that to IBOTTA, and it's a lot of magic right there. Now a little Merry Christmas to me, as I love, love, love these gift sets. This is a nice one by Olay. So it's $9.99 for like a deodorant, a body wash, and a little bit of magic in the bottle. So $9.99, fabulous price for that. To get us to that $10 mark for curbside pickup, we're going to grab one of these Peeps candies. This is like the cheapest thing I could find. Like a candy bar is like $1.79. So that, I don't know why that jumped up in price so much, but I noticed that for curbside pickup. So I don't know, a nice cute little stocking stuffer to go with the Olay. So putting these two in the basket, we have the $1.49 for the Peeps and that beautiful holiday kit. Like, it's really nice for $9.99. If you think about it, I think that dry spray on a non-sales week is $8.99. So there's some tremendous values in these gift sets. IBOTTA has a $3 back and a $4 back. I do not know which one will attach because I don't have a barcode in front of me, but you're either going to get $3 or $4 back. Please make sure you have these rebates. It's valid at a bunch of stores, Walgreens included. My store showing up first is Meijer, but Walgreens is also included if you go down below and then look at the stores that are included. You're going to pay $12.08. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay the $2.08. Once you get the receipt, definitely scan the box and see if it'll qualify for the $3 or the $4 rebate. If it's the $4 rebate, it's a much better deal, but $3 is also pretty respectful. The last curbside deal we're going to look at is number 6, and for this one, we're going to grab 3 of these Hallmark cards priced at $3.59. I think there's one a little bit cheaper, but there was none left in stock. People are going pretty hard on this deal. So putting 3 of them into a basket, it's $10.77. And these are super cute, like quality cards, if you really like to gift cards for Christmas. I mean, there's nothing nicer than Hallmark. Now, we have these $3 digitals, and I have like 4 or 5 of them in my account. So loading 3 of them, looking at the overall basket, it's a total of $10.77. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax. We have $9 in digital coupons coming off right there for a total of $2.42. I would use $2 in Walgreens cash, pay the 42 cents, and you have 3 beautiful Christmas cards for this Christmas. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.